Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Gemini AI on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Gemini AI app if you haven't already. You can easily download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. If you have turned off your Gemini AI before, you'll see this kind of interface when you open the app. Now, if you want to turn on Gemini AI back, then it's a very simple and easy process. Here you can see the switch button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Next up, in this screen, you can see the Use Gemini option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. And there you go, you are now able to access the Gemini AI app. You've successfully turned on Gemini AI back. You can now chat with the AI and ask your questions. So it's a very simple and easy process to turn on Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.